Boss, what are we doing?
We're skydiving today.
Jumping out of airplanes. We're gonna jump. Whose idea was this? We celebrating anything?
Anniversary,
Yep.
2 years.
If we don't make it to 3, any last words, final comments, confessions?
We love family.
Feed the goats.
Feed the goats. Feed all. We have 41 animals now.
That's
so
a lot.
Please take care of the farm.
Take care of the animals. For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and skydive. Have some fun.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
High five. Woo!
Here we go. Ready? We're ready. Let's do this. Let's get up. Let's get up. Have some fun.
Woo!
Do it.
Woo!
All right.
Let's see. Hey, show me what you got. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's badass. Damn. Yeah. There we go. Woo! Welcome back, Kurt. Damn. Fucking badass. Fuck yeah.
Jumped out of an airplane.
Damn, speechless.
How you feeling?
Badass.
Yeah?
Fucking bad to the bone, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
That was sick.
That
what
was
your favorite
bad.
part?
The free fall, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, that once that shoot hits.
It's different, huh?
Yeah, it's just, that's cool.
Did you come do it again?
Oh yeah,
You
we'll
have
be back.
to.
Absolutely.
Can't just do it once, man.
We'll be back for
Yeah.
sure.
Thanks for jumping with us.
Hell yeah. Woo!